Honda has done it. The Civic Type R is without a doubt the fastest front-wheel drive car ever made, at least from the factory. We're over at the Honda newsroom. Red Hot 23 Civic Type R conquers Green Hell Nürburgring with new front-wheel drive track record. So not only do they have the Nurburgring, but previously they mentioned that they have broken the Suzuka record as well. And who knows, they could just be on a tour at this point. See the Civic Type R break every single major track record out there would be amazing. I hope they keep it up. That'd be pretty baller. But I'm going to shut up and cut to the world record video. Let's get into it. the lap finishes up, I'm going to give you guys some details about the Civic Type R and the Nürburgring. The Nurburgring Nordschleife is in Germany and it is 20.8 kilometers long. It is considered the most challenging road circuit ever devised. The officially measured new lap record time of 7 minutes 44.881 seconds further demonstrates the improved dynamic performance of the new, more powerful Civic Type R. For this record-breaking attempt, the Type R was equipped with Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 Connect tires, jointly developed with Michelin using know-how amassed through the development of the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, which is a standard tire on the turbocharged hot hatch. And these Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 Connect tires are available through Honda dealers. So does this lap record surprise you? Absolutely not for me. The FK8 had already held the record at one point in time, and now the FL5 has cemented itself as the modern front-wheel drive performance king in the world. I can't wait to see you guys sound off and below. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe because I will be driving the more streetable version of the Type R, and that is the Acura Integra Type S. We'll be driving it in June. Can't wait to get my hands on it, get my feet on the pedals as well. I'll see you guys down below. Thanks again so much. Have a great night or day, depending on when you're watching this, and peace.